So we have cleaned the entire first floor perfectly. If you look, this is the finished look of the house. It is 5:45 in the evening, which is why I had to use lights. So we are super satisfied with how it all turned out. Now, here's the first bedroom. Can you guys tell that this room had a lot of stain on the carpet? I don't think anybody can tell. It's that perfect. And here's the cleaned bathroom. So well cleaned. It did not look this good, by the way. It just did not. And let's look at the two other bedrooms. Finished look, once again. Carpet looks brand new. By the way, the carpet is only 2 years old. We pretty much changed the entire floor's carpet. It's just 2 years old. So it does look new now, doesn't it? So all the cleaning solution that we used really helped us out in this case. And this is the other bathroom. Also cleaned. Looks nice. Now here's the third one, third bedroom. Look at that. Beautiful. No stains anywhere, no stains. It looks just perfect. And look at the closet door. Also looks nice, right? Bright white. Fantastic. Here's the pantry. Pantry is also all cleaned. Looks nice. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you to the kitchen. I'll show you how the kitchen looks right now. There it is. Here's our kitchen. Beautiful, fully cleaned. These are not granite countertops, but they look really nice and sturdy. We had a problem with the refrigerator handle, and we changed it out. We replaced it. So you'll see that up here. And then the floor looks spick and span. Here's the outside. There. It's the backyard with the back porch. Beautiful, beautiful. Now let's take a look at the basement. Also fully cleaned. So I cleaned out the carpets. And let me go ahead and turn on the lights. Because what we did is we repainted the floor. If I can get to the... I'm turning all the lights so you guys can see how the basement looks and how big the basement is. This is the basement. Fully cleaned, floor repainted. This basement has been waterproofed, so there's no worries about any basement flooding and stuff like that. And here is the other side of the basement. This is the other side. Oh, I don't know. Let me see. There's another light. Look at that. So beautifully cleaned, painted. Everything looks nice. There's a ton of storage in this basement. And I also painted the outside of these cabinets. So you see how the white is bright. So I really liked what I did. That's that. So this is the full basement. It is huge. So, you know, if you have, especially if you have a lot of things that you need to store, this would be a perfect basement for that. And here's another set of cabinets that we have. It's another view of the basement. Looks nice. We are debating whether we want to paint the walls here. We might. And if we do, that would be the end of all the work that we need to do on this particular home. Thank you for sticking with me throughout our journey here. I appreciate it, and I hope you like my video. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave them on this video so that I can respond to it. And I would love to hear what you think, how we did, any tips you have, anything that you would like to share with us. Would appreciate it. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.